Hey guys, and welcome back to Kiki Creates. I am Kiki and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome back, loves. I've missed you. Really wanted to talk to you guys and just give you guys a DIY because I haven't given you guys a DIY in so long. So I definitely think that it was time for me to do that. So in this video, what I'll be doing is using, if you guys remember correctly, I think I'll try and link it up here. I had that clay fail where I put air drying clay into the oven and then it was just a mess and it just melted and it just wasn't cute when I was trying to do coasters. So I decided to actually listen to the instructions and mold it into what I wanted to be, and then when I was done, air dry it, right? Because I thought, you know what, it's gonna work because it's air dry clay. I honestly feel like I've got bad luck with clay and I am never gonna work with clay ever again because the mess that I got wasn't cute at all. So I'm gonna show you when I thought I was still doing the dams, molding the thing, shaping it, making it out to me. So what I wanted to do was a ring hold, a jewelry holder and a ring holder. It didn't work out, child, and I'm going to show you just now. But for now, I'm going to show you the B-roll of when I was actually doing the stuff and I was molding it, thinking I'm the DIY queen that everyone knows, child. But I really am not because this was an absolute fail. But anyway, before we get into that, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment and let me know if you've ever tried some air dry DIYs, if you ever watched any and you actually want to try them, because I think I need a lot of help. So let's get into the B-roll, but right for now, let's clink clink, honey. Grab a drink, honey. Grab a wine, grab a whiskey, grab a gin, whatever lubricates your throat, and let's get into this video. Mwah. So guys, these are the stuff I think after, has it been 2 weeks? A week and a half. It's still clay. It hasn't dried into anything concrete. I honestly don't know. I don't know what happened. I'm very disappointed because I've been literally putting it outside and putting it on the window seal or whatever and opening, but it's still pretty much clay. It never dried up. I can squish it and work it into whatever it is that I want to work it into, and it literally just isn't working. So I'm quite disappointed in that. I'm quite sad. I did also want it to be, so if you see in the B-roll that you guys just saw now, I wanted it to be a little bit of a marble effect and something that's like with white streaks and black streaks and gray streaks, but it literally just never happened. So I've got this blob. After I thought I was gonna get it, I'm gonna show you the inspo of what I actually wanted it to be. And I've watched a lot of air dry clay videos, so I thought, you know what, I got it down packed, I'm gonna smooth them out, it's gonna be perfect. But it didn't work out. So we're there. Say hi to my blob. And honestly, I think I decided to actually continue and post this video to show that not every DIY works out. Not everything that we try turns out into this beautiful thing that we can post on YouTube. But even though this didn't turn out the way that I wanted it to, I still thought, let me just show you so that we can have a little laugh. You can have a little cackle and just be like, you know what? Some DIYs are bust. Some DIYs are just a failed child. And that's what I got. But anyway, we'll continue drinking our wine, and I'm hopefully gonna try another DIY next week, and I'll show it to you guys. For now, let's like, let's comment, let's subscribe, and let's grow our family. We're on a road to 1K. So excited for that. So fucking keen for that. And I can't wait to actually get to the point of getting to 1K, because I'm definitely gonna celebrate that freaking achievement. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you for the love. Thank you for everything. Love you. Bye. Mwah.